Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will teach you question number 3rd of exercise 2.4 NCERT decimals and fraction. So let's start this video, and in this we have to divide 7 upon 3 by 2. So how we will do this? We will convert. Can I represent 2 as 2 upon 1? Because I have told you in my previous video also that the 1 in the denominator has no effect on the question, because when you solve 2 upon 1 you will get the answer 2. So I will represent 2 as 2 upon 1, and in the next step what I will do, I will change this divide into the multiply and will do the reciprocal of this number, that is 2 upon 1. Because when we change divide into multiply, we have to do the reciprocal of the second number. So divide will change into the multiply and 2 upon 1 will change into the 1 upon 2. Now we have to multiply this number with each other, that is 7 multiplied by 1 is 7 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So our answer would be 7 upon 6. And we can convert this number into the mixed fraction, that is we have to divide 7 by 6, that is 6 1 ja 6 and 1 is remaining left, so our answer would be 1 upon 6. So in the second part what we have to do, we have to divide 4 upon 9 5, we have to divide 4 upon 9 with 5. So we will represent this 5 as 5 upon 1, and this divide will change into the multiply, and this number will change into the reciprocal, that the numerator will change into the denominator and the denominator will change into the numerator. So 4 upon 9 multiply 5 upon 1 will change into the 1 upon 5. Now we have to multiply the numerator values with each other and the denominator values with each other. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 and 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. So our answer would be 4 upon 45. So our third part is, that is 6 upon 13 divided by 7. So we will represent 7 as 7 upon 1, and in the next step I will change this divide into a multiply and this number will also change, that is 7 upon 1 will change into 1 upon 7. So 6 upon 13 multiplied by 1 upon 7. Now we have to multiply the numerator values and the denominator values. So 6 multiplied by 1 is 6 and 13 multiplied by 7 is, if you don't know the table of 13, you can watch my table and trick video and it will definitely help you. Without learning table, you can do the calculation of any table. So 13 multiplied by 7 is 10 multiplied by 7 is 70 and 70 plus 21 is 91. So our answer would be 6 upon 91. And the fourth part is, first we will convert this number into the improper fraction, and whatever the answer we will get, we will divide that number by 3. So first we will convert this number into the improper fraction, that is 4 3 ja 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. So our answer would be 13 upon 3. Now 13 upon 3 divide by 3. And I will represent this 3 as 3 upon 1, and in the next step I will change this divide into the multiply, and whenever we convert division into the multiplication we have to do the reciprocal of the second number. So 3 upon 1 will change into the 1 upon 3. So 13 divided by 3 multiply 1 upon 3. So now we have to multiply the numerator values and the denominator values. So 13 multiplied by 1 is 13 and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So our answer is 13 upon 9. And in the fifth part, first we will convert this number into an improper fraction, that is 3 1 upon 2. So 3 2 ja 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So our answer is 7 upon 2. Now I will divide 7 upon 2 divided by 4, and we can represent this 4 as 4 upon 1. And in the next step I will change this division into the multiplication and will do the reciprocal of this number, that is 4 upon 1. So in the next step 7 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 4. Now I have to multiply this number and the denominator values, that is 7 multiplied by 1 is 7 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So our answer is 7 upon 8. So in the sixth part I have to convert this number into the improper fraction, that is 4 3 upon 7. So 7 4s are 28 and 28 plus 3 is 31. So the answer is 31 upon 7. Now I will divide 31 upon 7 with 7. So this 7 can be represented as 7 upon 1, and in the next step I will change this division into the multiplication. So 31 upon 7 multiply, I have to do the reciprocal of this number, that is 7 upon 1 will change into 1 upon 7. So the answer would be 31 upon 49, that is 7 multiplied by 7 is 49 and 31 multiplied by 1 is 31. So this video is completed, and in the next video we will do the other questions of this exercise. So please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.